Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to add your personal information on Airbnb account. So first we're going to go to the Airbnb app. You guys can find it in the Play Store or App Store. Then next you're going to click on the profile section. Then once you scroll downwards, you're going to click on account settings. Then here you're going to click on personal information. So this is where we'll insert our personal information. You guys can start with the phone number. Insert your phone number. Then they're going to send you an SMS throughout your phone number. Then continue with your residential address. You guys have to click on edit to insert it. So next you can proceed with the mailing address. Insert what it's provided there. Then click on save. You guys could do the same with identity verification. You're going to upload your ID. Then you can also add your emergency contact. So this is how you basically add your personal information. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.